we're gonna jump right into the video, guys. And here I have pieces of chicken thigh that I have diced. I have also cleaned them with some lime and washed them up with some cold water. In here I have salt, black pepper, dried thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, some chicken seasoning, and I also have some paprika. Here I have some green seasoning, and here I have some curry powder. Now I am using the Chief's curry powder and the Jamaican curry powder, the Easy Spice brand. I will also be adding some red pepper flakes, and I will also be adding some extra virgin olive oil. Let's get right into seasoning. So I'm starting by mixing these together. Next, I'm adding my curry powder. Followed by the kicking chicken. Now this is what has those red pepper flakes, and it does add flavor as well. And of course, my olive oil. And of course, the green seasoning. And now I'm just gonna start adding in those seasonings. So now I'm just gonna place some plastic wrap on here and have this marinate overnight. So it is all seasoned, covered up with some plastic wrap. I'm going to allow it to marinate overnight because I do have the time to do so now. Now, if you do not have that amount of time, please allow a minimum of 1 to 2 hours to marinate before you go ahead with your cooking process. So the meat has been marinating overnight. This is the following morning, and we're going to start to assemble them on these wooden skewers that I have. And I did have them soak in some water as they'll be going into the oven. So I'm gonna be starting. And I'm not putting it in any particular order. I just made sure that I cut them close to the same size. All the pieces are close to the same size. Pieces of meat on there. And here it is. This is how one is looking. I'm going to place it on this rack. Now I am going to first spray the rack with some cooking oil. And here I have some extra virgin olive oil. And this is the non-stick cooking spray. I'm just going to spray this on the grill. And I've already covered the bottom of my pan with some parchment paper. I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so they are all laid out on the tray. And like I said, there is parchment paper on the bottom of this tray just for the drippings. And I'm going to place it in my oven. Now my oven is set to 375 degrees. The last 5 minutes, I'll be putting it on broil, and I'm gonna have it in there for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'll show you guys how it looks halfway through. And this is how it is looking halfway through. It's been about 25 minutes since they have been in the oven. The oven is at 375. And you guys see how good they are looking. You guys see this? Yep, it is looking really, really good. And back into the oven it goes. Now I'm going to give it a slight spray of that cooking oil. And this is what I used, again, the extra virgin olive oil, the non-stick cooking spray. And I just sprayed it a little so it does not dry out in the oven. And I'm gonna place it back into the oven to complete the cooking process because it's not done, as it is not fully done as yet. And I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And here it is, guys. You guys see how good this is looking. Yeah, this is my curry chicken kebabs or skewers, whichever way you want to call it. These turned out so good. Yes, guys, this is actually my plate that I will be eating. And I have prepared with some rice and some salad, and I also have some pita bread on the side. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I do look forward to see you guys tuned in to the next one. Thanks again. Bye.